In this video, we will learn how to identify conditional equation, identity, or contradiction. So, first of all, we try to learn how to identify a conditional equation. So, for this purpose, we simplify this equation. We have already learned how to simplify an equation. First we will multiply 2 by x, then 2 by 4. So 2 times x is minus 2x, and 2 times 4 it's 8, and minus would change the symbol to minus, minus 12 minus x. Now we will separate the unknowns on one side of the equation. For this purpose we will move minus x to the left hand side and minus a to the right hand side. So when we will move minus x to the left hand side, we its symbol would be changes to plus x. Minus 2x will stay same. Similarly 12 would stay same on the right hand side, and minus 8 will move to the right hand side and its symbol would changes to plus. Now we simplify it. X 1x minus 2x would be minus x, and 12 plus 8 is 20. Minus To get positive x, we will multiply minus by both sides, so x would be minus 20. Now this equation is called conditional. Why? Because the condition is this equation is true only for the value of minus 20. If x is equal to minus 20, then this equation is true. Otherwise, for any other value other than minus 20, this equation would not be true. This is the reason that these type of equations are known as conditional equation, which are true only for a single value or specific values. Now we will learn what is contradiction, or the equation having no solutions. For this purpose we will simplify the equation. 2 would be multiplied by 2 the first term, and again this 2 would be multiplied by the second term on the left hand side. So 2 times 2 is 4x, and 2 times 5 is minus 10, which is equal to 4x plus 7. Now we know that to solve the equation, we perform the step, that is move the unknown values to the one side of equation. Now if we move the 4s to the left hand side, or this 4s to the right hand side, what we have to do, we will have to add the opposite of them on both sides. Opposite of them on both sides, so they would be cancelled out. We will left with minus 10 is equal to 7. So which which makes no sense. Minus 10 is never equal to 7. So this is a contradiction. This is never true. So these types of equation that results in nonsense, that results nonsense, are known as contradictions. Are known as contradictions, are the solutions, are the equations with no solution. So while writing the solution set, we will write an empty set. So it's that is its solution is empty or no solution. Sometimes empty set can also be written as this symbol phi. Now we learn another type of equation which is known as identity. Now for to now we simplify it and learn what it does it means. 5 minus 5 plus 5s, we will multiply it using distributive law. Minus 5 times 1 it's minus 5, and minus 5 times minus x, it would be 5x. Now look, both sides of the equations are same. Again, if we want to find the value of x, what we will do, we will add the opposite of a known value to both sides. So 5x and minus 5x will be cancelled out, and we will be left with the equal values. So if in type of equation, while simplifying, if we get two sides of equation equal, we can identify it here, that is two side equation are equal. Or if we move further and again we got another two similar, then again we go to equal values. So when we get both the sides of the equation equal, we will say that the equation is identity. That is, it is true for all values of x. If we replace any value of x, the equation would be true for any value. So this equation is known as an identity.